So this is basically what I'm trying to look for in the boundary tool on CorelDRAW. And I'm using Photoshop as an example because I don't think CorelDRAW has an example of this that I can show right away. But if you noticed, this is an image with a transparency mask. And if I click on the mask and then right click and say add mask to selection, we get the outline of the mask around all of the objects in the image. And what I'm asking for is the boundary tool would do this automatically on images that have been masked out, which would give you options to add contour lines around people and do all sorts of really cool things. And I'm kind of tired of hearing oh, it's a bitmap, it can't be done. It can be done because Photoshop does it, and I think CorelDRAW can do anything that Photoshop does 10 times better. But in this case, they just happen to have a feature that Corel does not. And so this is what I'm saying. This outline that you see from the selection could easily be turned into a boundary line, or in CorelDRAW vernacular, a vector line that you could use to do drop shadows from, or all sorts of other cool stuff. So anyway, that's what I'm looking for.